Well, it's 5 a.m. and we're gonna drive a few hours into a snowstorm and go metal detecting with our friends all day. I love coffee. Coffee, coffee, coffee. Tastes so good down in my belly. It's freezing outside. Let's go have some fun. This week on the Hoover Boys. Well, I don't think I could have been any farther away from Jocelyn as she started jumping up and down.
Sweet, now we can go home, right?
It's bad out here, isn't it? I swear.
So bad.
I got something round! You look like a lunatic. Did you just come from this line right here? You gotta rub the first rosy of the year for good luck, right? Bob's buried deep in Brad's hole. Oh, is it seated? Dude, is that a 20-cent piece? I told you there was gonna be a half in here. I'm gonna flip it. You ready?
Yeah.
Can I touch it? You touch it now.
No, you touch it.
Dude, it's gotta be real.
Balto, 1894.
What? Oh my god! Look at that. Look at the fancy on it. Oh. Is it a Duriel? Look at that. No! Yes, it's a try.
Hoverboard powers activate.
No way, dude. No.
Dude, is that a cut 8?
Oh, it's a
Dude!
It's a cat bust.
I think it's a weed.
It's a cat bust. Well, it's January 7th, 2017. It is now 6 a.m. and you weren't lying about Jocelyn time.
No,
Dude,
no.
we were actually on
We were
time.
on time, just at the wrong place.
Yeah, oh well. It's all good. I'm having fun.
Yep.
It's gonna be a weird, wild, fun day.
Yes, it is.
Let's go get Brad.
This is an odd start. Captain USA helmet.
What's up, brother?
What up?
You ready for this?
Yeah.
Ready to get all snowed up?
Yeah, dude. It's gonna be harrowing.
It's gonna be a lot of fun, I think.
Dude.
What's up with the fish on the hood?
I just set it there for a sec.
Is that a trophy fish?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, let's go meet the rest of the boys. It's already snowing. I still got my light on. I think we're here.
We're in the whiteout. Yes.
And the weatherman was correct. It is in fact snowing.
Blizzard.
This is awesome. You ladies ready?
Ready.
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Wow.
Hey, buddy.
What's going on, man?
Thank you for the invite.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy the snow.
I will. This looks awesome. So who all we got today?
Keystone Kid.
We got John, Jocelyn, Relic Recoverist. We
Philip with no YouTube channel.
got Philip,
Tony Pasali. Hey.
Tony, the Brad Show's here, and that's Les.
Yep. Lovely Les.
Hi, Les. Very early sight. Whose permission is this? Yours? What's come off of here?
So far,
Yeah.
we have half dime.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah.
Any coppers?
No coppers. Well, his has it. That was the other thing.
Sideways snow. This is
Yeah.
fun.
I don't know what else.
Let's go try to save some history.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, I think Tony's on the board with the first period find. I try to block this wind as best as I can.
Man, get that out of there.
Bring it up here. I'm not getting on my knees today for
I
you.
was about to say. I don't blame
Let's
you.
see. Oh, nice erect shank on that one. This is gonna be weird with this light black background to show any detail today.
I was about to say.
There might be something on there. It's not gonna show up on the camera though. It's too bright out here. There might be something on there though. Good job.
At least it's something.
Something in the blizzard. This is gonna be tough filming. Well, I don't think I could have been any farther away from Jocelyn as she started jumping up and down. So we have some excitement in the snow. I can't wait to see what this is. All right, Copper. Actually, let me get in here. What?
Yeah, Bernie on the back.
Flip it. I can't make it out.
It dried.
There it is. That's right in the middle. The line's right in the middle. Is that Hibernia?
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's beautiful too.
Good shape.
Let me see if I can get a close up. Oh man, taking my gloves off was a bad idea. There's your harp on the back. It is a Hibernia, so it's a copper that was originally made for Ireland.
Crazy shit, dude.
I'm not familiar with this design. I don't know where the date would be. If we get one, I'll flash it up on the screen. That is awesome. Absolutely awesome. Boom. Good job, Jocelyn. We got a copper.
Sweet, now we can go home, right?
It's bad out here, isn't it? I swear.
So bad.
Josh, let me check that out.
Well, Phil says he's got on a button, so let's get some film.
Might be some gilt on it. I don't know.
Is it flat or two-piece?
I'm not sure, but
That might be a two-piece, dude.
the dirt's like frozen to it.
It is. I'm not whipping out any foo in this cold weather. Not for a button.
At least it's period.
It is. Well, if it's something good, I'll flash up a picture. Nice work, buddy.
All right,
I got nothing, period, yet.
on to the next.
Yeah. If you are thinking these people must be a bunch of idiots, you're 100% correct. It's snowing a lot harder than we expected. That was the tree line it was in. I don't even think you can see the people. There's some little dots out there. They're still detecting. I had to get out of the wind. I found this enclosure. Too bad it's full of horse shit. The smell is not as bad as the wind though. I will take the smell over the wind. This is stupid.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find a signal.
Something tells me that you might be the last digger out here.
Well, I haven't found anything yet.
Does screaming warm you up?
Why is there like a foot of snow on the ground? What is 1 to 3 inches? This is more than 1 to 3 inches.
Look at all this cocaine. Oh,
This is brutal.
just get a signal. I'm tired of watching you swing. I want to dig.
Ooh,
Oh,
nope,
oh.
false call. Hit a branch.
Oh man.
I do have a coil on here.
Is that the new one?
Yeah, that's the new Thunder coil. I really like it so far. I just haven't been able to get over a good target.
Hey, I'm right here. I hear you. I know you're cold.
I don't mind the cold. I don't mind the snow. The wind can suck my.
Bleep. Oh,
We're getting interference now.
you look like a lunatic.
I'm in love with history, Brad.
Tell me about
I'm in love with history. This is for the birds, though.
I gave up an hour ago. I'm hurting. We're about to get back into the windy section. About 20 yards that way. It's like gale force winds. Oh, we gotta get some hot chow.
Well, we're taking a break from that. Where's your copper?
Yeah, put it out.
Can I see it for a close-up inside?
Yeah, sure. Let me just check my pockets.
She lost it.
I didn't lose it. It fell out.
Here's Phil's button.
It was like,
It does have some sort of little flower design on there.
okay, it was like negative 20 degrees.
And the back mark. But how long ago was this found? A month ago?
Early December.
Early December.
Rub it out.
Yeah. He got on a treasure coin.
Put it in the washing machine.
That is a cob, a 1 real cob. And that little 62 right there, that means 1662.
You already know where the patio is.
Oh my god. That would, I might quit if I dug one of them. Like that's the top of the mountain for me right there. I can't hold it. Okay, I'll hold it a little longer. I'm gonna rub it like a Rosie. It's like I wouldn't do that. Here, pass it back though.
Yeah,
I'm done with it. Thank you for sharing that with us. It's incredible.
No problem, man.
Brad's gonna get disappeared.
What you think, buddy?
I love it.
All right, I might have to beep after lunch. It's slowing down a little out there. You can't see. It's still whiteout conditions.
Yeah, I got until 10 o'clock.
All right, I'm all in with that right there. Burger, 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 burger.
Everybody's getting burgers.
I'm getting spinach dip. What do you want?
Eat your lunch, Brad.
Thank you.
You get soup.
Right, it kind of like overflowed.
It looks delicious. I'll scrape it out the sides.
What's going on
Yeah,
there?
look at this. No French onion soup. They were out. I was hurt. Real hurt. Deep. This is it.
Thanks, buddy.
Look at that.
You can have a French fry. Well, we're still out here. Don't ask why. What else is there to do, right? There's everybody over there. I was getting a coin type signal here, and I don't know. What am I doing? Rubbing on something. It feels light. Oh, it's a token or something. Oh, my knees are cold. It's a token with a bell on it, but you wouldn't be able to tell from my camera. Let me zoom in. I got something round! Well, that's different. Some bicentennial token of some sort. Is there nothing on this side, or is that a button shank? That'd be cool if that was a button. See the Liberty Bell, 1776 to 1923. It don't make any sense. It had me going. It's light, it's a token. It's got the Liberty Bell in there or something. Rang up like a coin though. Sure hell sounded good. I know it's deep.
It says Treasure Island.
Treasure Island. I found treasure! It says Treasure Island! It's treasure!
Yeah.
Is it a gaming token?
1776, 1926. Yeah, right. Philadelphia. It says at the bottom. Right here.
Yeah. Awesome.
Flip
I
it,
found
flip it back.
something.
Is it like a token?
It's just a token of some sort, I think. I got treasure! Alright, my hands are freezing. I gotta put my gloves back on. Here, take this. Goodbye. Like idiots, we dug into the dark and I found a Wheatie and a D-buckle, and that's about it. We came, we saw, we did not conquer, but we had a lot of fun.
Lots of fun.
See you
Very
next time.
cold fun.
Well, that's all the footage I have from the snow dummies. Who wants to go see a whole mess load of silver? I certainly do. Let's go.
I got stuff in my hole. You want to look?
You got stuff?
Look it up. I flipped it out of the side.
Dude, this is really close where I got set down. I think I got set down over here.
It was on edge, and I lashed it out of the side there.
Roosevelt?
Yes,
Your first silver on the year?
Is it?
It's gotta be.
62.
Rub that thing.
62 Delta.
Delta?
Yeah. Give it.
I told you guys there's gonna be some silvers here. Hopefully we'll get on some older ones still.
That rubbed up nice, didn't it?
Yeah. Rubbed up real nice. I'm gonna rub it for you too.
Thanks. Once you
A
rub
little
that,
thumbs up. Here, you wanna rub it?
get on it.
You gotta rub the first Rosie of the year for good luck, right? Well, it looks like I'm gonna rub my first silver of the year too. That's alright though, we gotta start somewhere. Mine's a quarter, mine's bigger than yours.
Oh, much bigger.
But it's George. 1951.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah. Big shiny. It's huge.
Rub it on my boot.
Cool. Well, good morning, George Washington. Where are your friends at? Oh yeah? Let's go find them.
I'm starting a collection, serious collection
Yeah?
of vintage pull tabs.
Oh yeah, I got a
Yeah,
good
I got
collection then too.
Some really
and bottle caps.
seriously colonial ones, all the way
Yeah?
up to the 60s maybe. and then I dug that.
Dude, that's silver.
It can only be
I
silver.
tried to tell him, he doesn't believe me.
Dude, that's a silver pocket knife. Oh boy, there it goes. Let's try that again.
It's easy to find.
Yeah. Dude, that's wild. Too bad there ain't no initials on there or anything.
Yeah, they might. Maybe they wore off or something.
I bet that's got some decent age. I did not think this was silver until I started rubbing on it. I just got the most disgusting Rosie
You gotta
dime
rub that
ever.
Rosie.
I rubbed this Rosie. That's how I saw the silver edge. It's a 1956. It is disgusting though. But hey, second silver on the year, even though it doesn't look like it. I'm gonna have to get rough with that one. Anything else be to the rad?
Maybe chew on it.
Your tip fell off. You should see a doctor about that.
Yeah, probably.
This can't be good. Brad's smiling and laughing.
I was thinking Hot Rock bottle cap, no way it would be that high. No way it would be that high. It was not.
It's a half. I told you there was gonna be a half in here. He just halved up. He did.
I think I'm walking too. Go, you hit it out, dude.
You want me to do it?
Yes, I do.
Oh my lord!
I got a piece of junk.
I'm gonna flip it. You ready?
Yeah, yeah,
You're taking a walk. This is a beautiful one. You're taking a walk.
I just walked through here.
yeah. You pushed it to the left, sir.
Oh, whip
Oh
me.
my
Yeah.
goodness!
Oh,
Oh, you frozen?
oh,
I think you need some
yeah, it is.
real foo.
Gosh darn it.
Here.
It hurts.
Where'd it go?
It's in my hand.
Where'd it
yeah.
go?
Yeah, hit it.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Is it early in the
I
41?
think it's a 41.
Oh,
Oh, you son of
what we
a!
like. It's what we like.
I told you. There's more here.
Oh!
Oh,
Just walked through here.
he just walked through here. Whoo, doggy. She's got some meat on her too. You still got a little bit of feather action going on there. $50. Walking Liberty $50, 1941. We were just talking about $50 and then bam. You wanna walk over here and get your coin?
Yeah.
Good job, brother. First walk of the year. You get anything up by the house?
1919 Merc.
1919 Merc?
Couple buff nicks.
Couple buff nicks? Very nice. Anything you want to show me? Can I see this Merc or you just making stuff up? Beautiful. All dirtied up still, huh?
Yeah. No time to clean it?
1919? Oh, that's the oldest coin on the day so far. Oh, trying to lose it. Put it back in there before I do. So we're all on the silver board.
Awesome.
But Bobby's not in the coin category. He's got a silver pocket knife.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah.
Doesn't quite fit in here, David Purdue.
Doesn't quite fit in there.
Hey, next time.
It'll fit in mine.
Oh, yeah?
See ya. Bye, Felicia. Hey, Brad. Did you just come from this line right here? What is that knockoff foo?
I'm still waiting for the real thing.
Oh yeah? We can hook you up. What you got, buddy?
It's looking a little shiny.
It is. It's a Washington.
I guess we can rub it then, huh?
Do you want me to?
Go for it.
I'd love to rub your Washington. Let's see what kind of date we have first. 1940. It's not a key date. The only key date's a 32 something. Very good, brother. At least you're having some fun with some 20th century silver. There's older stuff here.
That's good.
We'll hit that big field in the back later.
Sounds good.
You gonna live dig one for me?
Absolutely. We got 93, 83, 96, 82, 91.
Nice.
All right.
Pinpoint good?
Yeah, that's pretty tight.
Nice and tight?
Oh, man.
Yeah, the ground's a little frozen. We got a couple inches of frozen ground to go through, but it's definitely doable. All right, as soon as you pop, I'm gonna get the camera all up in there. I want to see it right on the bottom of the plug.
You ready for this?
I'm ready. Do me.
And that's a black. It's in there. It's in there. Wait a sec. That's gonna be a penny.
Clad.
It's gonna be a week. Get it.
A Wheatie
Weedy.
Memorial. I can't even make the fart sound. That's why it sounded so good. Nice copper memorial. It's yours. Good job.
Oh, it's going for it.
Congrats.
Thanks.
Bob's buried deep in Brad's hole.
Got down there. Oh, that's my hole.
Is it silver?
Yeah, it's religious. I
Religious.
was like, I'll take a pull tab signal.
Oh,
It's a little more than religious.
there's a pull tab
I
signal?
didn't hit it. Yeah. Oh
my goodness.
Oh my
It's
god.
That's
beautiful.
silver. And
Oh my gosh, yes.
I would wear that all day long.
Oh my gosh.
Dude,
I
awesome.
love it.
See if it's marked anywhere, buddy.
I thought I saw something at the very bottom on the back.
Yep,
Oh.
there it is.
Sterling?
It is Hillcraft Sterling.
Oh, beautiful.
That's got to be
Phenomenal,
30s, 40s, something like that.
Let me get a close up of that
Give
thing.
me a pound.
Yeah, this is a gooder right here. You got Sterling down here at the bottom. And there he is. Jesus Christ. That is a beautiful cross, dude. That's really nice.
It's like a humbling find.
It is.
It's like when that comes out of the ground. It's like an extra special find coming out of the ground. It's just
Absolutely.
kind of humbling. I don't know what it is about it.
It is,
It's,
absolutely.
it's like a true rescue. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Somebody loved it. Just loved it.
Absolutely, they did. Cool, we're finding things other than silver coins that are still silver. Second silver relic today.
My
Or
word,
jewelry, but
we'll see.
nice work. I knew we shouldn't have brought Brad here. I knew it.
It's another clad quarter.
High quarter signal.
That's all it is.
It's not even
Deep.
Where could it be?
You're standing up, aren't you?
It's a call, but I love it.
Oh,
Oh boy.
that's the second stander out of here. There's been 2 walks.
It's actually a rubber.
You're gonna rub the standing?
Yeah, it's a no-dater. Ready? You got it focused?
It is now.
All right, ready to go. Sorry, bud.
Eagle.
Oh boy.
It keeps focusing on your fingers.
Good job, Wanker.
Wanker. She's still beautiful. I don't care what condition these things come out of the ground.
No way.
They're absolutely beautiful coin.
I'm pretty sure 2017 is the Chinese year of the bread.
The Chinese year of the bread.
Yeah,
Stanton Liberty quarter.
because he's an animal.
1916 to 1930. Beautiful coins.
Oh, look at all the silver.
Drop her off for me, please.
Oh no!
Did it.
You did it! you need a Warnick.
Oh, gold ring would top it off, huh?
Damn, you're having some sort of day.
It's good so far, bud.
A bread bowl.
Damn. 3 inches. Good job.
Oh,
This property is huge. The place we've been beeping all morning is where they used to have horse shows in the 40s. This is a horse farm. They had horse shows. People would come park their cars and check out the horse shows. The spot we're in now used to be an old Sandlot baseball diamond. It is all the same property. Where they did the horse shows was up there, and this used to be a ball diamond. Home plate used to be over here, so I came over here. Got what sounded like a silver dime signal, and well, that is what we have. And it's another Rosie, so you're gonna get a little rub. All right, 53. Much cleaner looking than my first Rosie. We will take it. I know there's more. Hopefully there's a half for me. Brad's killing it. That guy. We just had some food. It's been slow going since we ate. Bobby's calling everybody over. Hopefully he's got something good. Hopefully it's old. Alright, I'm scared to look. You tell me the signal?
huh?
What kind of signal?
A good signal, like yeah, it was like a quarter.
Oh, you got silver.
It's weird looking. What is it? Oh, is it seated?
Dude, is that a 20-cent piece?
It's foreign.
It is foreign.
1850 something. Careful, don't
Oh, come on.
It's Argentinian?
What would that be?
Fine.
It's beautiful. I love it. It's beautiful. Do it.
It is
It might
beautiful.
be beautiful, but it's not America.
It's not America. Well, it's gonna have a date. Dude, I thought it was gonna be a 20 center. It's a weird size.
Dang, gummit.
Flip me. All right, hit that thing. This is the. Whoa. Who was that? It's
old.
It's
I
in
saw
Europe.
1850 something, I swear.
Really?
I think
Caesar?
I did.
It's beautiful, whatever it is.
No, 1940.
That makes more sense. This thing was probably lost in 1945. Brad's telling me it's Venezuelan. I had no idea, so I believe him. It says 1945 down here at the bottom. It says Grand 5 and 835. I'm guessing that's the silver content. I had no idea. It's definitely silver. Beeps in the 80s on the AT Pro. That's a cool find, Bobby. Definitely one of the more different things today.
Oh, I might like it if I get to look at it.
I'd take that over rubbing another Rosie, that's
Well,
for sure.
It's kind of light.
No, it's got some heft to it.
I'm just strong.
You're just strong. Good job, buddy.
Thanks.
I'm going back to beeping. There was no doubt in my mind this signal wasn't going to be silver. Behold the clad quarter. And then that guy says, I got silver. Better not be another big silver.
Yeah.
Itty bitty little one.
I hope it's a Merc. I really do.
Oh, that sounds cold.
Yeah, it's got to be a Mercury. Mercuritis. Yay.
Is it a Merc?
Yeah,
You gonna rub that Merc?
a little bit. Just want to rub around the edge. Get the bait first. 38. That's a rubber.
You're just rubbing them all today.
Look at the blue and silver on it.
Ugh. You're having some sort of day, buddy. I'm rubbing the back.
Yeah, do it.
I'm rubbing your backside.
Okay.
I'm just messing it all up. Here.
Take it away.
I think my headphones are hanging off me. Good job, buddy.
Thanks. It's actually bent.
Bent. Did you hit it?
No.
I'm not looking. Did you undo?
Yeah.
Oh, you already took them all out? I wanted to see them all.
Sorry, bro.
Get all that out of here.
Hey, you. Hey, you.
Yeah.
Go back to your non-silver hole.
Whatever.
Yeah.
Anybody have anything to say?
Well.
I don't know what to say.
Well.
What do I say here?
That's a Blizzard makeup hunt for me. That's all I can tell you.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess you were due, Brad. Let's go over Brad's great day. Is that all of it, or is that some of it? Most of it.
That's most of it.
That's all the poo. We dug a lot of holes today. And there's the board. A few shinies on there. Here's my little pile. This thing. Silver dollar Bazinga. Some tag. I haven't cleaned it up yet. A little buckle. This is a junker ring. It's my Clad and Wheats. I got on 3 silvers. My first 3 of the year, and I got to rub them all. There's Rob's Clad. There's Rob's Wheats. He got on 2 Buffalo nickels, Washington quarter, Rosie dime, Merc dime, some sort of little pendant, little sterling Betsy. And this you, Bobby?
That's me.
That looks Civil War. Lead pewter spoon. You got a little horse head.
It's not gold.
It's not gold.
Sorry.
Buckley thing. This is Clad up here.
Yeah, it's glad.
Is that your one Wheatie?
No, those Wheaties mixed all in.
All in what? Right here? You got on this weird foreign coin. It's definitely different. It's definitely the size of like a 20-cent piece US. It is silver.
It's beautiful.
It is beautiful. And, well, there's Brad for you. He got on some Clad and his Wheaties, Buffalo nickel, junker ring. Really nice sterling cross.
Okay.
And you did the 5-cent dime.
It's been that kind of day.
You did the 5-cent dime quarter half. You got on 2 dimes. You did get. What's your? You don't even know. That side's all cruddied up. You were rubbing everything today.
Well, that needed to be rubbed.
That's a beautiful coin, though.
Yeah.
And you got the Walker. Psh. Psh. Congratulations, Brad. You were due, buddy. It's weird. It always flip-flops who has the better day between all of us. Until next week, help clean up the ground, dig it all, and take your trash with you. Why, Rob?
Because all holes matter.
Yeah, buddy. And you know it.
I thought you knew it.
I've been pulling weed after weed after weed after weed after that Rosie dime. I got a quarters type signal here. I had the plug popped. Let's go in together. The pinpointer was going off right there, a little bit dark staining. Please be a silver quarter. Clad quarter. Summing up.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to find a signal.
You look like a lunatic.
I'm in love with history, Brad.
Tell me about it.
In love with history.
Look at all this cocaine.